deep in the shadows. I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other.
Hey you guys, welcome back to DAT Family 5. I am Atoya, wife of Douglas and mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. We are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you all the inspiration and motivation that you need to get throughout your day and throughout your life. Today I am just going through paperwork and getting my little desk area together. Actually, my desk area is going to be switching over back into the sunroom. But right now, this is where it was at during the winter time because the sunroom does get cold. So if you are a newbie, welcome to our family. Please make sure that you click the subscription button down below and make sure you click that thumbs up and ring that bell for all notifications for all new videos coming mostly every week. Okay, we are a family of 5 and I am mother and wife, and sometimes they come out every week, sometimes they come out 2 times a week, sometimes they come out every other week, but just bear with us. All right, but anyway, we will give y'all all the motivation regardless of what's going on in any video that we give you. As I said, right now I'm just going through mail and paper and things that's been piling up that needs to be shredded and all that good things. And I'm also talking to my good friend Diane, Just Being Diane on Instagram. She is so wonderful. Me and her has been talking a lot also, just like I have been with Black Butterfly, Toya Harris. So yeah, so make sure y'all hop over to their pages and talk to them, and also subscribe to their channel. And yeah, so I'm excited to get through this area here. And so yeah, all right, y'all be blessed and I will see y'all soon.
Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. From the anger, from the war, let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.
Alright, so as y'all just saw, I had some spillage from the shredder, and as still going through papers, trying to get my desk area together. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoying all this paper sorting and organizing, motivation, inspiration today, getting better. Just to let my fellow YouTubers know, most editing systems have free music, and this music that we got from KINMATER, which is the editing system that I use, is very good, and I really truly like it. So I hope that y'all use y'all freebies that y'all have rather than using them coins. Thank you guys.
When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Just let go. Need to figure it out. Making time, not taking it to clear my thoughts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. Crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush.
All right, here we're just taking a trip to the kitchen because Rayne, the oldest, had just finished up the kitchen. So this is why y'all haven't been seeing me doing any kitchen cleans, because it's the chores of the teenagers. You got to teach them how to have some responsibilities and things like that, and so therefore they have chores to do in our house. So yeah, so she did pretty good on this day. I give her a B+. Yorkie. Yeah? What's wrong? Yeah? Yeah. What happened? I think your mama eat. I think she eating. You have somebody in there with you. Really?
Why are you videotaping her, like?
All right, so it's getting better. I am working on finishing up, but now it's lunchtime. Actually, it's past lunchtime. It's 3:15, and I'm supposed to be going to physical therapy, but that's not happening. I'm about to call it canceled. So, yes. So I'll be back shortly. So the question of the day is, what do you do on your downtime? I like to listen to self-help podcasts, marriage podcasts, mommy, daughter, just life podcast. Do you listen to podcasts? Do you watch YouTube for some motivation, some inspiration? What do you do on your downtime?
Now, I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey. You called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around. We'll wait till we've all
Alright, so this video is coming up to a close. Just a couple pictures behind this segment, and we will see y'all on the tube. Thank you again, y'all. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Love you guys.
To disappear.